Hi, May. Happy eating. What do you have? What do you have for lunch? You have that's hot dog. You like that very much? What else? Kind of boiled rice. How was your third day in class? Have you enjoyed in your lessons? Yes. You have met new classmates and new friends. What's the name of your closest friend? Do you remember? You have a nice day.